I'm here for the razor company, and I'm feeling like a little bit of a barbershop scent. Stay tuned. Hey, welcome back. My name is Chris. You can search me over on Instagram or YouTube at shave_and_chat. Today, I have a bit of a beauty of a shave. I'm using a soap that I haven't used in a very long time. Extremely inexpensive, but man, do you ever get the best bang for your buck. I'm going in with Stirling Soaps Barbershop. You can't go wrong with Stirling Soaps, in my opinion, and you can also pick this up at the razor company. As a matter of fact, most everything I'm using today, you can find at the razor company. I will go ahead and leave their link right here below if you want to go check them out and see all the goodies that they have. And speaking of the razor company, could you go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, what's your favorite Stirling soap, if you have one. And if you don't, are you picking one up next? Also, of course, subscribe to the channel and follow the razor company over on Instagram. They have so much wet shave content. Plus, you can check out their live shaves every Saturday at 9 Eastern. And hey, if you're watching, you might get lucky enough, your name might get pulled and you can win a special goodie. Let's get on with that shave. I'll be lathering it up with the Aylsworth Altare G5C synthetic knot. You can pick the base up on the razor company's website. And I'll be cutting down the growth with the Apex AL. Once again, you can pick this one up at the razor company. I'll then be going in with the Stirling Soaps Barbershop Aftershave Balm. And then I'll be ending off the entire shave with Stirling Soap Aftershave Splash. If you have been following me around long enough, you know I'm getting started with the Leaf pre-shave oil, which you can pick one of these up at the razor company. See how much the razor company has to offer? Whew, man, that's good. Got my brush loaded. Let's paint on that first layer. Let's go ahead and load the Apex AL with a Persona Platinum. Like I was saying, Stirling Soaps, you get an amazing product and you won't break the bank. 20 bucks Canadian, you get nearly 6 ounces of soap. The stuff lathers amazingly well. It smells fantastic. Pick up some Stirling, guys. I am always thoroughly impressed with the Altare knot. The G5C on this thing is fantastic. So if you happen to pick up the handle, I would recommend a G5C synthetic knot, but that's just me. All right, here we go. First pass. Let's do it. There you have it. First pass done. That felt fantastic. If you do have Stirling's Barbershop, you know exactly what I'm talking about when I'm saying the smell is unreal right now. Oh, wow, it smells fantastic in here. Let's get on with that second pass. All right, second pass. Let's do it. All right, there you have it, guys. Second pass is done. I'm still feeling some blotchy areas, so I'll go ahead and do the third pass. All right, third pass. Here we go. So I'm just experimenting, puffing out my cheeks while shaving and not. The last few shaves I've been puffing them out to see if there's much of a difference. This shave I'm not puffing them just to see if there's a bit of a difference when I'm shaving. Alright guys, there you have it. Third pass in the books. This shave has felt fantastic. Let me go ahead and wash off the rest of the soap, finish off the rest of the shave. Hold tight. Let's go in with my Parker's Alum Block. That was a fantastic shave. Once again, there's like a little teeny tiny bit of stinging, but that is normal. Nothing aggressive, which is great. And of course, I'm still learning to not be so aggressive while I shave, seeing as I've been doing this for a year. Yes, that is right. I have officially been traditional wet shaving for a year. So one reason why I love to grab an old toothbrush and scrub my hardware is because I don't know if you guys can tell, but you see the residue on here? I like to scrub that all off and make sure it's nice and clean. We want this stuff to last, don't we? I mean, rinsing it off with water is great, but if you don't give it a good scrub, once again, I don't know if you'll be able to tell, but in here, you'll see residue, a light coating. Because I scrub, it's not very evident, but you'll see a light coating of white in the gaps here. So that's, again, why I like to give my stuff a good scrub. Once every couple weeks or so, at least. Now, the handle I do find a little difficult to scrub, so I'll just go around like so and just give it a little scrub. There you go, nice and clean and ready for the next use. Now I'll go in with some Thares. So here's a question. For those of you that use a balm and a splash, do you put the balm on first and then the splash, or vice versa? I always confuse myself when I'm about to do that. So typically I'll put on the splash and then I'll put the balm on. I think I kind of go back and forth, but I don't even know, like, is there a right or wrong way of doing it? Want to leave a comment down below and let me know? So I'm gonna go in with Stirling Soap Company Barbershop Aftershave Splash. That smells amazing. And now let's finish off the whole shave with Stirling Soap Company's Barbershop Aftershave Balm. The last time I used this, I put so much on, I didn't realize you gotta be easy with it. So I'll put a little bit. If I need more, I'll just add more. I'll go with this for now, but I might be adding some more. Alright guys, there you have it. That's the end of the shave. If you've made it all the way to the end of this video, thank you so much for doing so. Again, subscribe to the Razor Company's YouTube channel and follow them over on Instagram. This was an all-around amazing shave. As I've mentioned at the beginning, you can't go wrong with Stirling soap. It's inexpensive. You get a lot of soap for what you're paying for. You're getting good quality soap and a great quality product. The Balm and Aftershave Splash, exact same thing. Amazing software that's not going to break the bank. And on that note, my name is Chris, here for the Razor Company. You make it a great shave, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.